See this button right here? Have you ever gotten in your car on a really hot day and you thought, dang, it's hot outside, I want to turn the air on? But you didn't know if you turned this on if you would get way worse gas mileage. So today we're going to myth bust and see if turning the air on actually gets you worse gas mileage and by how much. The results will shock you. We're going to be testing, does the air conditioner really get you worse gas mileage than having your window down? We're going to be driving the exact same road, one with the air conditioner on and one with the air conditioner off, and we're going to compare the gas mileage and see the difference. We got the cruise set at 55. We're resetting right as we hit this cross with this road, and boom, we are completely reset on our fuel mileage. Air is on. There's no stopping or anything except for the turnaround. All right, we're coming right up on it, and we're gonna see what it is as soon as we cross. 3, 2, 1, and it is 42.8 miles per gallon. All right, so we ended at 42.8. I'm now stopped. So we're gonna be rolling just the driver's side window down, leaving all the other ones up. Got the air turned off. I'm gonna turn the fan off too. Now we're gonna do the exact same test, same speed, 55 miles per hour. And let's see if we can beat 42.8. 55, coming across, and let's go, reset. 42.8 is the number to beat. And hey, if you guys are enjoying the video so far, smash the like button and subscribe to help me out. These videos do take quite a bit of time. Thank you. 47.9 miles per gallon. Air still off, windows still down. Now let's go look at the results. This test was conducted on my mom's 2015 Kia Optima. So there's a couple things I want to talk about after I give the number. With the air on, we got 42.8 miles per gallon in the loop. And with the air off, we got 47.9 miles per gallon. That is way more of a difference than I expected. I know that obviously having the air on is turning the bell and adding an extra load to your engine, but I never expected that it was doing that much. Especially considering that they usually say that when you're in town it's even worse, and I was on an open highway with one takeoff that whole time in both tests. One takeoff per test, obviously. So I find it really incredible that it was such a big gap. 5.1 mile per gallon difference, and we were on a highway. Just imagine the difference if you were in town. I know a lot of people say that when you're in town, use your window down, and whenever you're on the highway, roll the window up and turn the AC on. Obviously, we just busted that myth because you get way better gas mileage with the window down, to the point where you could probably roll all 4 windows down and turn the air off and still get better gas mileage than if you had the air on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you want to help support me. Subscribe if you want to see more myth busting, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.